Good morning, winners. This is Sasha Fearless, here to let you know that you are beautiful and good enough to accomplish anything that you want in life. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do a retwist on hair that I started about a month and a half, 2 months ago at the time that I filmed this video. So this is Aston, he's 7. And right now, he hasn't had a retwist in a while, maybe like 3 or 4 weeks. That's why his hair looks like this. So it's pretty dry at this point, and I wanted to show you guys what not twisting your hair for like 3 to 4 weeks when you first start getting locks looks like. All right. So at this point, his hair has been shampooed, and he has also gotten an oil treatment, which his hair desperately needed. The results speak for itself. Oil treatments are great for dreadlocks. Before I get started with showing you how I retwist his 1.5, 2-month-old hair, I want to show you where he first started. This is Aston a few months ago before I started his dreadlocks. All right, he was all natural, and it's just amazing to see the transition from point A to point B with his hair. If you'd like to watch this video, I will leave a link in the description box, and there should be a link above. All right, now let's get back to this. So we're starting with a clean slate. Aston's been washed and he'd gotten an oil treatment, an oil pre-treatment. Now, the reason why I did the oil pre-treatment is because his hair was severely dry, and the oil treatment was like a pre-poo. All right, so now his hair feels good, it's softer, and I have a perfect base to start with. The product that I'm using right now is Nature's Blessing. This is just to add like shine and luster to his hair, because shine is always good. For majority of this video, I will not be speaking. So let me just get all the talking points, the tips out of the way first. All right. When I twist his hair, you're gonna see me use like a gazillion clips. And the reason I do that is just to keep the locks consistently like the same size even throughout. And I already mentioned I use the Nature's Blessing to add shine and luster to the hair. I'm using a, what do you call this? A tapered comb, the smaller end of a tapered comb, because it really helps me to grip the hair for the retwist. The gel that I'm using is the Get Twisted gel. What I love about this gel is it gives me a nice strong hold. I love using the Eco Styler gel also for retwists, but I find that for people with like more curly, less kinky hair, the Eco Styler gel doesn't really work well for me because it just really doesn't hold that well. The hair just slips out, but the Get Twisted gel gives me a nice hold for people with more curly, less kinky hair. Now, Aston's hair it's definitely on the kinky side, and the Eco Styler gel would definitely work for a retwist for him, but today I'm using the Get Twisted gel. mentioned this before in another video, but I'm gonna say it again because it's really important. For those of you who are thinking of starting dreadlocks, make sure that the person that starts your dreadlocks knows what they are doing, especially if you want it to be neat and uniform, because what you start with is literally what you are stuck with for the duration of your locks. There have been times where I've done a retwist on locks that I haven't started. Like, I know some people have their girlfriend or their mom or whatnot start their locks, and it's cool, you know, like I retwist it and it comes out beautifully. It's just the complaint that the person has is, how can I like get the parts different? Like, how can I make them smaller, or how can I get them bigger? Well, there's one of two ways that you can do that. You can either cut it off and start over, or comb it out and start over. Like if it's a year old or more, like over a year. If it's under 6 months and you have locks that you started that you don't like, comb it out and start it the way you want, because remember, what you start with is what you are stuck with. By the way, before I forget, I don't think I mentioned this before. After I twist the sections, I use the Fantasia Spritz. It's the Fantasia Liquid Mousse Spritz. I think this is an amazing spritz. I use it when I retwist dreadlocks, and I also use it to hold my lace wigs down, my lace closures down, my lace frontals down. Yeah, I love this. It's between this and the Got To Be Glued spray.